like this. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Mark.
Mark, can you spell your name?
Mark.
Yes, and how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
What's your school's name?
My school name is Hello.
Okay, what grade are you in?
I'm in grade 4.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black and white.
Okay, and what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
Okay, now look at the picture and tell me. Would you like bubble tea?
Yes, yes, please.
Would you like noodles?
Yes, please.
Would you like fries?
No thanks.
Would you like fries or chicken?
I would like chicken.
Would you like chicken or pizza?
I would like pizza.
Would you like pizza or bubble tea?
I would like pizza.
Okay, thank you. Now look at the picture and then tell me, what does he like?
He likes rice, chicken, and milk.
What does she like?
She likes rice and noodles.
Does she like pizza?
No, she doesn't.
Does he like bubble tea?
No, he doesn't.
Does she like cakes?
No, he does. No, she doesn't.
Does he like milk?
Yes, he does.
Okay, thank you.